Okay, I put this little 3D print together. Made some little holders for the 04 camera, 04 Lite. Used some Happy Model 8000 kV motors. The 04 fits on there real nice. Just have a all-in-one. It's got ELRS built in. Just one of those cheap ones off AliExpress. Seems to work real good though. And then the holder for the 04, I didn't use this part, but it's that axis case. That fit on there so good I didn't want to use the case, but I did for the camera. I cannot believe how good this thing flies, how smooth it flies for this little 3D printed frame. I was also surprised to see that with this 04 Lite, it had very minimal jello. I just made a 3D printed holder for the camera and it seems to be working okay. With that 2S 550 battery, I got about a 3-minute flight, so that wasn't too bad. And that built-in ELRS signal seems to be pretty strong on this. Just using the pocket radio.